Alright, another quick video on how to reset the indicator for a 2018 Cooper Clubman. First we're going to turn on the key. And you can see the service light there is on. We're going to press and hold the reset button. Until we get that menu back up. There it is, 800 over. I'm going to press and hold the reset button again and hold it. Let up, press it again. And then it's going to reset the oil indicator. Alright, we're going to see what else is in here. By time, we're going to go ahead and reset the service as well. I'm going to press and hold the button. Yes. Reset that. Now that's green. Let's toggle through again. That's for brake fluid. We're going to let that go for now. And we're all good. Hope that helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.